For this type of problem, it is giving us the x values, and we're going to one at a time plug in each of these x values. For example, the first one it gives us x is -1. So go to our equation, y equals 4x minus 3, and we're going to replace x with the first number it gave us. So we're going to replace x with that -1. So I have y equals 4, and then remember this means 4 times x, so it's 4 times, replace x with -1, still have the -3, and then we solve, make sure you're following order of operations, we multiply before we subtract, so it's -4, and then we still have the -3, -4 minus 3 is -7, so then the answer would be when x is -1, y is -7, and then you continue that, well you'll plug in 0 for the x, and then you'll plug in 1 for the x, then you'll plug in 2 for the x, always writing your answer that you get for y in the y space. So your y answer will always go in here.